Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how to create a new user or another user in the NeuronEX software. So here is the web page of the NeuronEX software. The default username is admin. Okay, once you install the NeuronEX software, the default username will be admin and the default password will be 0000. Okay, and you can log into the NeuronEX configuration page. Now, if you want to add another user, okay, then how you can add it? So you can go to the administration section and here you can see the users. So once you click on the user, you will see the username admin, which is by default created by the NeuronEX software. Now, if you want to create another user with the administrator role or the viewer role, you can create it here. So if I want to create a test user, then I can click on the button create user. I can provide the username. So the username for the another user is a test, okay? And the password is test@123. Now here you have to select the role. So either you can select the viewer or the administrator. If you select the administrator role, then they will be able to access and edit everything. And if you select the viewer role, then they just view the configuration. They cannot edit anything. Okay. So I'm going to select the viewer role. Okay. And in the remark, we will specify test user. Okay, and here is the password test@123. Now I'm going to submit it. Okay, and here you can see the test user is created. The role is viewer, and this is the test user. If you want to change the password of that user, then you can provide the old password and you can provide the new password here. Okay, otherwise you can log out and you can log in with the test user. And if you want to delete the test user, then you can only delete the test user if you are logged into the administrator user. Okay, so I'm going to log out and I'm going to log in with the test user. So password is test@123. Okay, so we are successfully logged in with the test user. Here you can see user management and we are the test user. And if I go to south devices, then I am not able to turn on this process OPCUA simulation server connection. Okay, also I'm not able to turn on the more sim connection. Okay, so I am the viewer only, I am not the editor. Okay, so this is how you can create the user in the NeuronX software. Now I'm going to log out from the test user and I'm again going to log in with the admin user. So 0000 is the password. Okay, and I am again going to the user section and I'm going to delete the test user which we have created. Okay, so the user is deleted. Now only one user is available, which is admin. So this is how you can create a user in the NeuronX software, and I have also demonstrated how to delete the user from the NeuronX administration section. So I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any questions or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also, you can comment on this video. Also, you can send me a mail. So let's meet in the next video of the NeuronX software. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.